Do you feel like you have so many things you want to do, but you just keep pushing it aside? Days go by, weeks go by, you're just constantly procrastinating and nothing gets done, and it's already July of 2024. Maybe it's just me. But recently I've been reading this book called Stolen Focus, Why You Can't Pay Attention by Johan Hari. I'm only halfway through it, but one thing really stood out to me, and I've just been thinking about it, is that yes, while social media and phones are designed to distract us, to steal our attention, which is the premise of this book, but one main reason that we can't focus is actually because of fear. He talks about this person doing some studies last time that when we feel unsafe, we are fearful, it's not good for focus because we are just constantly scanning our environment for danger to protect ourselves, for survival back then, maybe so that you don't get eaten by bears or snakes. I don't know. But that just made me think of the modern day context, in my context, why sometimes we can't focus. Maybe it's because of some fear that we have in our lives. Maybe I'm procrastinating making videos, getting that business idea to life because there is a fear of failure. There is insecurities, fear of what people might think. And when there's fear, you just can't focus. You can't get your mind to actually do the thing you want to do. You do everything except the thing that you actually want to do. Oh, that's something I've personally been just journeying through, wrestling with. And that's why I'm making this video, because I want to break the lie in my head that says that I am scared. And yeah, this is my declaration of war to the lie in my head that I'm not fearful. I'm here to bring whatever ideas I have to life. I'm here to create. I'm here to live and enjoy life. Here we are. So if you feel like you're the same, you've been struggling with just procrastinating, hey, maybe because there are some fears that you first need to deal with. So maybe I'll leave one question and challenge for you. What is that one thing you can do right now to break that fear that you think you have and start making progress towards your goals? Let's deal with that fear and then we can get to work.